Hello, everybody. This is Albert Corey from Corey and Associates Accounting Services. Today, we're going to talk about on why to open up an LLC. 5 reasons to why open up LLC. Who are we? We are Corey and Associates Accounting Services. Since 1985, has assisted their clients with all their accounting needs. You don't have to take our word on it. Just Google us. This is live, so let me go over here and do it so you know that unrehearsed, and type in Corey Tax Service, and there we are. You can see, ain't bragging when it's two, guys and girls watching us. We have 66 stars, 47.5. So we know we're pretty awesome, or we're pretty amazing, and when we treat our clients right. Okay, we're Corey and Associates Accounting Services. Our email address is albert@1040w2.com. We have free consultations. That's right, free, no money down. I like to talk to people. You can call our office, 305-823-9228. You could walk into our office if you're in the Southeast Florida area, 1800 West 68th Street, Suite 118, Hialeah, Florida 33014. And our email is albert@1040w2. Please leave your name and number, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So now on with the show. It's now finally time to start your business. You ever wondered why? How easy it is to start your business, and you never knew the 5 reasons why you need to open up an LLC, or this could be a sub-S company. By the way, sharing is caring on Facebook, Twitter, Google+. This page is openmiamicorp.com. So if you ever want to come back to it. Okay, here are the reasons. The number 1 reason is personal asset. Personal asset protection means is if you open up a hot dog stand, drive Ubers, did construction, have a roofing company, if something goes bad, okay, and they try to sue you, they can only sue you for the value of the corporation. That's right, meaning that whatever's in their corporation, they can only sue you. And here's an example of this. One example of this is, say if you have $1 million house in Miami Lakes, Snapper Creek area, or any place, or $1 million in a bank. If you had a roofing company and somebody wants to sue you, they can only sue you the value of whatever the value of the corporation. So which means, guys, if you only have $30 in the account and somebody tries to sue you, then that's all they can get out of you. The second part is that you got instant credibility. We are now living in the world where perception is the key to success. I'll have other videos and to explain what this is. So what perception means is if there's 2 people, one is Albert Corey Accounting Services, or the other one is Corey and Associates Accounting Service, or Corey and Associates Accounting Inc. or LLC, 80% of the time, people are going to go for the people that are incorporated because they think that you're big, they think you live on Wall Street, they can think that they think you have 100 employees. Now, guess what? I can tell you my personal story, because back in the day, back in 1985 when I started, it was just little old me working out of a bedroom in my mom's house. So what would happen is I went and I got a phone, which is a big deal. I have a separate line in 1985. And my mom answered the phone. Corey and Associates, can I help you? Now, I was out working at that time, doing accounting, but so she would answer. They would think that we're real big. And the funny part is, customer number 3 down in the mill area, she'd ask me, how many people work for my company? Well, I said 5, which was my mom, my dad, my brother, and my cousins who would all make the copies or answer the phones for me. This also leads to the second part, credibility. Now they think you're a big company in America, and once you think you're a big company, you got more trust than if you're Billy Bob. If you had a white business card that said, "Hey, my Billy Bob is a roofer," but if you had Hialeah Roofing Services, then they tend to go with the other people. The second thing is that when you open up a corporation, that it could go on forever. So what does that mean is that, hey, you start building a business and then you get real big and then all of a sudden you can go out and sell the company lives on forever. An example of that is right here that we talked about in the article about Sam Walton. Well, if you don't know who Sam Walton was, he was the founder of Walmart. Yes, Sam died in 1982. Sam Walton had a traded public corporation. Even though he died, as you can see, is the company went forward. It doesn't matter the size, but the company can go forward and you can also sell the company. Another big thing is the tax advantages. Okay, tax advantages could be very, very, very important, especially when you do our startup, because normally when you do a tax return and you're not incorporated and you might have a regular job, the government really could look close at your losses, especially if you're doing an MLM company, you're doing internet marketing. It could take a while to really get the company rocking and rolling. And all those years you could be taking losses. Now, if you take losses on a regular tax return, the government can look at it and say, you might have to owe us some money or they could pay tax. Now, when you have an LLC or sub-S company, what would start to happen is the government really, there's so many corporations out there that the government can't check it. So you can show the loss for 5 or 6 years and it's never gonna be seen. So you could take advantage of your car, your internet, your tolls, going out to dinner. You ever wonder why so many companies have conventions and conferences in Orlando or Las Vegas, and you don't see them in places like Omaha, Houston, Charlotte, okay, Medley, Florida. Why? Because people will go on vacation or write it off. That's right. They spend a little time on that vacation, a little time at the conference, and the rest of the time on the conference. Okay, now for the last and final part. Why Core & Associates Accounting Services? We've been opening up corporations and companies since 1984. We will help you to make sure to answer all your questions, and we'll make sure anything that suits your needs. We'll guide you through the internal revenue process and state process. We'll answer all your corporate questions for free. Now, here's a little trick when people who try to open up themselves, you're going to get a whole bunch of paper guys from a bunch of scammers who are going to try to take your money. But guess what? When you open it up with me, any paper you get, you call me, and I'll make sure, and I will tell you that most of the stuff you get in the mail is a bunch of scammers. Now, please follow us on Facebook at 1040w2.facebook.com, at 1040w2. Page will be coming up in a minute. Like I said, this is live. I only do it one way, guys. Okay, there we are, 1040w2. There's us on our business page. Soon we'll also be starting our business perception classes. So please give us a call back and we'll help you. Our next thing, you could also check us out on our Instagram page. We always got posts. I post about 4 times a day. So if you follow us on Instagram, you're going to get some pretty awesome, pretty cool stuff. We're also on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. You name it, we're there. everything goes in all places. Like I said, we're Corin Associates Accounting Services, 1800 West 68th Street, Suite 118, Hialeah, Florida. We have fax and email service. So if you can't come to us, just fax and email it, and we'll give you a free consultation. You can also, if you can't remember where to go, just go to actually two places, but one place is HTTP is big IRS refund.com, and there you can just go. I got it right. We should be up and running. Yep, there it is. You click here, you get our little pop-up, and we'll give you a free consultation, and we're here. Like I said, don't have to take our word on it. Just look at our Yelp page. That was in a couple of months back. Since then we had it, but I like to show people on live. Oh, I did this here. On a live broadcast to know that this is no fake. We do stuff live and real. And there we are with 36 reviews. All right, guys. Have a good day. We love you. Call us. I love talking to everybody. I'm there every day. Next week I'll be going on vacation, but you can always email me and we'll get back to you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Oops. How do I end the stream, guys? Bye-bye. Oops.